Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home. Be safe, everyone. Students, as we are doing the multiplication word problems, yes? So, again, today we are here with some more word problems which will help you out in solving and forming the statements properly. Because multiplication, how to do that you are knowing, but how to form the proper statement of that question, there you used to get confused. So let's see here. So in the previous two videos already I have discussed that how to form the statement, how we used to underline the how. First we have to find out the keyword, then we used to form the statement. We never used to start the multiplication directly. Okay, try to read the question twice, thrice, more than that time in which you can understand. Okay, multiplication, again I am saying the same thing it is. Okay, multiplicand, multiplier, and the product we used to find out. The product we used to find out. Okay, we used to multiply the multiplicand with multiplier to find out the product of that number. Okay, now just see. Students, I have already told you to learn the table nicely, so please try to learn the table till 20. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for you to do the division, because after this we have to do division also. So multiplication now it is going to be completed. After that, when we will start division, if you will not know the table, it will be difficult, my dear. So learn the table till 20 every time I am saying. Okay, so you can see here the question. Again I am reading this. Multiplication word problem can be framed using different terms like number of times, as many, multiplied by, in all, or all together. These are the terms which are familiar, which are related with the multiplication. So you can see, dear students, that here again one question is there. The name is given Simran. Simran is the girl who is earning some amount every month. Okay, how much does she earn? Okay, in a year, total year, what is the earning of Simran? Okay, if in 1 month my earning is 10 rupees, how much I will earn in a year? So for calculating the number of for calculating the amount which I am earning in a year, first I have to know that how many months are there in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, so statement will be formed by this: money earned every month. Okay, that is 15893. Number of years, number of month in a year, 12. We have to multiply here. So let's multiply here. So we have to multiply with 2 first. We have to multiply with 2 first. So 2 table we have to read 3 times, or 3 table 2 times. Let's read the table of 3 2 times. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we will write 6. Now we will read the table of 2 9 times, or 9 2 times. So 9 table I will read. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 18 8 we will write down, 1 we will write up. Now I will read 8 table 2 times. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 16 plus 1, my dear, is 17. Whereas 7 we will write down and 1 we will write up. The second digit we used to write. Okay. Now 2 table we have to read 5 times, or 5 table 2 times. So 5 table I will read. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 I will write here, and 1 we will write, I will take carry, because 11 is a 2 digit number. So 1 number I am writing up and 1 I am writing down. Now 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, because 1 was left. So here we will add that 1. That is 3. So what is the total product which I have calculated, my dear? The total product which we have calculated, the first product which we have calculated, that is 31786. Okay, by multiplying 15893 by 2, we have got 31786. Now we have to multiply with the tens place, that is written 1. So we have to read the table of 1. So but before reading the table of 1, we have to put at the first place, that is 0. We have to put 0 at the first place. Okay, now let's do. Now 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 5 is 5, and 1 into 1 is 7. 1 into 1 is, sorry, 1. So like this we have already added all the numbers. Now we will we have already calculated all the numbers. Now we will add it. What we will do? We will add it. Let's add it. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 we will write down, and 1 we will take carry. Now 9 plus 7 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. So 7 we will write down, again 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10, and 1 carry. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And then 1 is only left. So 1. So what is the total amount you have got? That is 190,716. Okay. So the last statement we will write here is, we will write money earned in a year, or money earned by Simran in a year, or total earning of Simran in a year. Anything we can write. All are true. All are correct. Now last statement, Simran earned this much in a year. It is written there also. One more example. In this example also you can see, my dear students, it is written here that the cost of a chair is 800 rupees. Find the cost of 5 such chairs. How many? 5 such chairs. So first we will write cost of one chair. Okay, or cost of a chair. Then we will write number of chairs, or cost of 5 chairs. We will multiply both the numbers. 800 into 5 we will do. Okay, so when we will multiply, so 5 into 0 is 0, then 5 into 0 is 0, and 5 into 8 is, or 8 into 5 is, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and 8 fives are 40. So we will write 40 here. So what is the total cost of the chair? The total cost of 5 chair is 4,000. Total cost of 5 chair is 4,000. See students, okay, now here is this question we are going to discuss. There are 345 women and 247 men, okay, working in a factory. Number of women and number of men are there given. Okay, the daily earning of each worker is this much rupees. What is the total wage of all the workers for a day? Wage means total earning. Okay, how much of one person is earning in a day? Okay, so what we have to, this question is little bit tricky, because we have to do here two kinds of things. We have to do two things here. Okay, directly we cannot multiply and we will get the answer. First, what we will do, number of female workers. Try to find out the keywords. Number of female workers plus number of male workers equals to total number of workers in the factory. That is only because you have to find out the total wage of one day, na, of the total person. Means whatever the number of person in the factory, according to that only now you will calculate the number, means how much one person is earning. So first you have to add the number of women and number of men, then only you can calculate, because first you should know the total number of workers. So now just see. After this we will write number of female workers, number of male workers. We have added both the numbers. How we will add? We will add from ones place only. 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 we will take carry. 1 we will take carry. That 1 I will write here. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So again 9 I have written down. No carry is there. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. So total number of worker in a factory I have got, that is 592. This is the first part of the question we have done. We have not right now calculated the amount of wages a person is getting per day. We have not calculated. We have already calculated the total number of workers working in the factory. Now just see. Now we are going to move with the second part. First we have calculated the total number of workers. Now we have to find out the earning of that worker. Total number of workers, the daily earning of each worker, that is rupees 85. It was given in the question. Now we have to multiply. What we have to do? Multiply. Now when we will multiply here, Then start multiplying. Just see. 5 table we have to read 2 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 0 we will write down and 1 we will take carry. Now 5 table I have to read 9 times, or I can read the 9 table 5 times. Any one we can read. So let's read the table of 9. Yes, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. So 45 plus 1. 45 plus 1? 46. So 46. Here actually the total is given. Here multiplication how done, it is not given. So we will do that also. 592 we will write here, and 85 we will write here. We will do the multiplication. 0. Yes, 1 we will take carry. 45 we have got. Now 45 plus 1 is 46. 4 we will write carry. Now 5 table we have to read 5 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. So 29 we will write. Now first partial product we have got. We have not got here both the products. We have got only the first product. Okay. Now we have to find out the second product. Okay, so but before started doing the multiplication with the second product, first put the 0, then start reading the table of 8. Okay, 2 times. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 6 you will write down, 1 you will write up. Okay, 1 we will write up. This we have done, so let it be. So 1 we have written up. Now we have to read the table of 8 9 times, or we can read the table of 9 8 times. Any one you will read, you will get the same. You will get the same. So I will read the table of 8 9 times. How many times? 8 9 times. So what I will get? I will get 72. I will get 72. You can read the table also one by one. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, like this. Okay, I have got 72. 72 plus 1, 73. So 3 I will write here and 7 I will write upside. Now 8 table I have to read 5 times, or 5 table I have to read 8 times. So when I will read the table of 8 5 times, what you will get? 8 into 5, what you will get? 8 into 5 when you will do, then you will get 40. You can do also, you can do 8 into 5 when you will do, then you will get 40. So 40 plus 7 is 47. Both number we will write. Add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 downside, 1 we will take carry. 9 plus 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So 3. Again 1 carry. 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So 0 plus 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. So have you got the same answer? Yes, we have got the same answer, but we have got by doing the complete multiplication. Okay, so now we will write the last statement. The total wage of all the workers for a day. Total wage of all the workers for a day means how much a worker is getting, how much a worker is earning in a day. That is 50320. 50320. So what you will write? The total wage of all the worker for a day is rupees 50320. Done? Okay, so this is how we used to write the. Don't go in hurry. That we will start multiplying. Here what we have done? First we have find out the total number of workers. Then we have calculated the total wage which they are getting in a day. Okay, so first we have added the number of female, number of male, and then we have got the total by multiplying. The next question. In this question you can see it is written Andy. There is a name of a girl or a boy. Andy bought this much blue ribbons, this much red ribbons, and this much green ribbons for decoration. For decorating the whole house, he bought number of this much ribbon. But here in this question, 3 things we have to calculate. How many ribbons in all the ribbons in all were bought? Total number of ribbons, because number of 2 kinds of ribbons are 3 kinds of ribbons are given: blue, red, and orange. green, blue, red and green. So we have to calculate the total ribbon first. Okay, the first part we will do first. Just see, here we will write first number of blue ribbons, number of red ribbons, number of green ribbons. We have written all. Now we will add it. Let's add, my dear. 8 plus 7 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So 8 we have written down. You can see, and 1 we will write up. Now 7 plus 3, 7, and here I am adding 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So 5 I will write down, 1 I will take carry. Now 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 0 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So 12, 2 we will write and 1 we will take carry. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So number of ribbons bout in all. Number of ribbons bout in all. How many total ribbons he is having. This is the first part we have done. This one is the first part we have done. Now the second part. This was the first part we have completed. First part. Now the second part, dear. Second part is how many less red ribbon than blue ribbon were there. First we have calculated total ribbon. Now we have to calculate the number of less ribbon than the number of less red ribbon than the blue ribbon. In blue ribbons are more than red ribbons. So we will do what here? For calculating the less number of ribbon, we will subtract. Let's subtract. Second part. Now we are subtracting here. What we are doing? We are subtracting here. So let's subtract. Number of blue ribbons first we will write, because number of blue ribbons are more. Okay. Number of red ribbons. After writing both, we will subtract here. What we will do? We will subtract. So let's subtract it. Here 3 written, here 7 written. Not possible to do subtraction. What we will do in that case? What we will do in that case? See, then what we will do in that case? What we will do? Just see. We will take carry. What we will do? We will take carry. It will be 13. 13 minus 7 is possible. 13 is greater than 7. So 13 minus 7 will be 6. 6 we will write here. Now it will be 6 because one we have taken carry. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. So what is the total product we have got? What is the total difference we have calculated from the blue to red ribbon? That is 2626. This is the total. This is the total, means this is the difference between the red and the blue ribbon. Blue and the red ribbon. Lastly, we will write any bout this much less ribbon than the blue ribbon. In that we have calculated total number of ribbon. Total number of ribbon. Here we are calculating the number of less red ribbon than the blue ribbon. After this, what we have to do? Now we are moving with the third part. Now in the third part it is given, if the cost of each ribbon is ₹5, what is the amount Andy paid for all the ribbons? What is the amount Andy paid for all the ribbons? Okay, total. So amount paid for all the ribbons, total number of ribbons into cost of ribbon. In the red box it is given amount paid for all the ribbons, total number of ribbons which we have calculated. Okay, amount paid for all the ribbons, that is given, cost of the ribbon, that you have to find out. So just see. Now let's start doing this question. See, my dear. First we will write total number of ribbons. What we will write? Total number of ribbons that we have calculated. First part we have done, na? Total number of ribbon, that only. Next, cost of each ribbon, that is given 5. Okay, now we will multiply, then only we can get the total amount paid for all the ribbon, then only we will get. Let's start. 8 table when you will read 4 times, or 8 table when you will read 5 times, or 5 table when you will read 8 times, you will get 40. How much? 40. So 0 you will write down and 4 you will take up as carry. 5 table, when we will read 5 times, then we will get 25. So again 5 and plus 4, 25 plus 4 is 29. So 29 we will write, 9 here and 2 we will take carry. Now 5 table we will read 2 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 we will write up. Now 5 table we have to read 3 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 6 we will write down, 1 again carry. 5 ones are 5 and plus 1 is 6. So what is the total number of ribbon? Andy for which Andy paid? Andy paid rupees this much for all the ribbons. Means for the green ribbon, for the red ribbon, for the blue ribbon. The total amount paid for all the ribbon is 66,290. So last we will write, therefore Andy paid rupees this much for all the ribbons. So in this way, this total we have calculated. This is the question in which addition was also there, subtraction was also there, and multiplication was also there. Because first we have calculated a total number of ribbons. Then it was asked to calculate the number of less red ribbon than the blue ribbon, that we have calculated. In the third part we have calculated the cost of all the ribbons. Okay, keep this in your mind. Next, here also one more question I am with. See, what is the question? A water tank supplies this much liter of water to the Hilltop Society. There is a name, Hilltop Society. Every day. Okay, how many liters of water are used by the society in the month of February? February is having how many days? 28 days. Because it is not written leap year. If leap year is mentioned, then 29 take. Otherwise 28 only. In 2013. Amount of water supplied in liter every year. In liter every year, that is given. Total number of days, 28. You have to multiply here. What we will do? Multiply. When you will multiply 8 with all the numbers, you will get 200308332. This you will get, the first product. Then when you will multiply 2 with all the numbers, okay, then you will get 5007708. Okay, this you will get, because the first place already we used to write 0. Okay, so that will be 0 only, and the product you will get as 5007708. Okay, now you have to add both. What you have to do? You have to add both. Okay, so we will add it. Okay, and then when you will add it, then you will get the total amount of water supplied in the month of February. Okay, total means every day it is given. Previously it was given only every day. You have to calculate the amount of water which he is supplying with the which the tanker is supplying in a month. That is the month of February. Other month is not given. So we have to take the number of days which is there in February. So February is having 28 days. February is having 28 days. If it is leap year, then 29 only. So when we have calculated both, then we have got the total. That is 70107912. This is the total which we have got. This one is the total we have got. So what we will write after this, my dear? We will write that amount of water supplied in the month of February, that we have calculated. In the last, therefore, this much liter of water were supplied to the society in the month of February 2013. Okay, here I have not done the calculation, that you will do, and you will see that whether the calculation is correctly done or not done. Okay, you will multiply with 8 first, then you will multiply with 2. Okay, from the ones place you will start. 8 into 4, 8 into 5, 8 into 8, 8 into 3, 8 into 0, 8 into 2, 8 into 5, 8 into 2. You will get one product. In the same way with 2 also you will do. Both the products when you will get, you will add both the products. Then you will get the total amount of water which they are supplying. The total amount of water which they are supplying. Okay, when you will get the total amount of water which they are supplying, that total amount is only the amount of water which they are supplying in the month of February. That only the amount of water which they are supplying in the month of February. Okay, I think that is all. You all try to do it, and if any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have got all the word problems, and I think that now you will not face any kind of problem in doing the word problem. Go through all the examples which I have given here, and if still problem, you can ask me. Okay, that is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.